we also need to know the negation, concept of negation, as we got the concept of AND gate, concept of OR gate. However, there is one concept, that is the concept of negation, and if we are applying this concept of negation, then of course in the circuit system, if there is a positive, output will be the negative. So it is kind of some kind of a negation concept, or if the value is 0, after applying this operation, it will become 1. If there is a 1, it will become 0. So there are two possible values. Again, but remember, again, in all the previous cases, how many rows were there? There are 4 rows. 4 rows, because we are considering the true features 2. So we are getting 4. But here we are considering only 1 features. So according to this formula, we need to substitute and we get 2. So there are only 2 possible rows. So we know at this situation, again we need to apply some sigmoid function, and sigmoid function is very simple here. And in this case, of course, x naught, and here is the theta naught, and here the theta 1. We can consider the weight parameter here, very simple, and this weight parameter in 10, and for this minus 20. So theta naught, x naught plus theta 1 x 1. So we need to substitute the value here. What is the value of theta x1? It's 1 multiply 10. Again, x1 is what? X1 here we need to notice, because it's a binary operation, conversion, kind of a negation. If x1 is 0, but remember x naught always equivalent to 1. X naught, that is the benchmark, plus 1, as I told you many times. So it will not change, but x1 at first place is 0, will multiply with 20, then output is sum of g of 10. Once we will substitute this here, one plus e minus 10. E minus 10 is what? Basically 10 is the this hypothesis function we concluded, and we get it's equivalent to 1. You can do it calculation with the help of calculator. Again, if x1 is 1 here, instead of 0 it's 1, then scenario will be changed. This is the as it is, then we will get 20 here. Then this it will become the this one is the this one the positive 1 over 1 plus 10. What you will get? You will get 0. So if once we will, because from the 20 it will be subtracted away, 10 will be subtracted away, so we will get a here basically we need to substitute 1 plus e minus 10, and it will give us some positive sign, and once there is a positive, then we will get a, so we will get our desired result. Remember, this is the conversion, and we applied some kind of a negation on this concept. Once we are applying negation on this concept, Okay, important thing here, if we want to negate this, okay, apply this negation here as here.